Hey there, do you want to connect your Beribes wireless headphones to any iPad? Well, let's walk through the quick steps to pair it and get everything ready to go. Alright, so for that, let's open settings on your iPad. From there to Bluetooth, just make sure it's turned on. Now let's take Beribes into pairing mode. Now usually when it's not paired with any device, if you just press and hold this power button, it'll go straight into pairing mode showing red and blue LED. In case if it doesn't, showing a solid LED, maybe it's connected with any previously paired device, what I need to do is just first make sure it's turned off, and then press and hold the same power or multifunction button until it shows red and blue LED. That means it's in pairing mode. As soon as you do that, device name will show up along with the model number. In our case, it's WH202A. When it does, just go ahead, tap on it, and it'll be paired to your iPad. That's it. Enjoy your newly paired Beribes Bluetooth headphones with your favorite iPad. Thanks for watching.